Everyone has heard the horror stories. Feeling in the dark. Being overwhelmed with choices. Never really knowing where the financials stand. The he said, she said standoffs. And the fun just getting sucked right out of the building process. And it happens all the time. But it doesn't have to be that way. With our online system, you'll actually enjoy your building project. You'll have all of the details at your fingertips, wherever you have web access. You'll have all of your decisions and related information displayed neatly in order. We'll even send you automatic reminders about what's coming up next. If you decide to splurge on a few extras, you'll always know how much you've spent, and you can securely approve those things right online. You'll see your project taking shape as you track major milestones and view the progress in the online photo gallery. Of course, communication is so important, but admit it, have you ever lost an email or forgotten to reply to someone? We don't want that to happen when we trade messages, which is why we keep all of our email correspondence in one place online by topic, where you and our team can see it. From discussions about lighting fixtures and appliances down to your smallest questions about anything else. It's all important to us, and our system makes sure that nothing falls through the cracks. So, why do we do all of this? Well, it's because we've heard the contractor horror stories too. That's why we've invested in our online system to make sure that the fun stays in the building process and that you're still raving about it years down the road. Want to learn more? Just ask us about it, and we'll be happy to give you a first-hand tour.